In this video, we will discuss the 5 best toolboxes on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Workpro Toolbox. Introducing the Workpro Toolbox, an ultra-durable and highly organized storage solution for all your tools and essentials. Crafted from rugged polypropylene resin construction, this toolbox is built to withstand the rigors of transit without breaking, ensuring the safety of your valuable tools. With a weight capacity of up to 33 lbs and 2 metal latches, along with a locking eye for added security, you can rest assured that your hand tools are well protected. The removable inner trays provide ample storage while keeping your tools neatly organized, and the transparent lids on either side offer convenient storage for small screws, nuts, and other hardware. Whether you need an organizer for first aid supplies, a trailer toolbox, a mechanic's toolbox, a car toolbox, a professional toolbox, or even a kid's toolbox, this versatile organizer has you covered. With a hand-friendly matting body and anti-slip design, the Workpro Toolbox offers an upgraded user experience, while the materials comply with environmental protection standards, ensuring a total content of 3-O-phenols less than 1,000 ppm. Number 2. Klein Toolbox. Introducing the Klein Toolbox, a versatile and customizable workstation designed to revolutionize your on-the-go organization. This medium-sized toolbox easily connects with other Modbox components, allowing you to create a tailored mobile workstation that meets your unique needs. With built-in side rails, you can conveniently attach additional accessories and keep frequently used items and tools within easy reach. Constructed from impact-resistant polymers and IP65 rated for protection against debris and rain, this toolbox offers exceptional durability and reliability in even the most demanding work environments. The enhanced lid features a V-groove contoured for pipe, a molded and ruler for easy measurement, and a steel-reinforced lock location for securing a cable or padlock, ensuring both functionality and security. The molded and divider slots of the toolbox dual function as receiving slots for one 2-inch ENT conduit, allowing for easy wire dispensing. Furthermore, the built-in headlamp bracket securely holds a Klein Tools headlamp, providing hands-free illumination and visibility to the contents of the toolbox in dark environments, making it an indispensable companion for any job site. Number 3. Keter Masterloader Resin Rolling Toolbox. Keep hefty tools organized while trucking them from project to project with the Keter Masterloader Resin Rolling Toolbox. This heavy-duty resin toolbox provides up to 66 pounds of tool hauling capacity, allowing for the transportation of hand tools, power tools, and hardware. The polypropylene resin is weather-resistant to protect tools from the elements. The Masterloader features a telescoping handle and 2 7-inch heavy-duty wheels for easy pulling. The 2 top storage boxes slide out of the way, providing access to the tools below. One of those wings has a clear plastic lid and plenty of storage for odds and ends like screws and nails. The Masterloader also features a top-mounted latch for securing tools, though it doesn't lock. Number 4. Anyyion 14-inch Toolbox. Introducing the Anyyion 14-inch Toolbox, a durable and versatile storage solution designed to meet all your tool organization needs. Crafted from high-quality PP plastic, this toolbox has passed extreme freezing tests and remains resistant to falls, impacts, and cracking even at temperatures as low as 22 degrees, ensuring its longevity and toughness. Its ample storage space features an interior organizer tray and a top compartment for small parts, ensuring everything stays neatly organized and easily accessible. The bottom compartment accommodates larger and heavier items, making it ideal for carrying power tools, hand tools, and medium-sized items with ease. For added safety, the toolbox boasts a metal non-slip handle and a stainless steel lock, complete with a latch hole that can accommodate a padlock or zip tie for secure storage. Anyyion stands behind its product with a 30-day full refund guarantee, quality warranty, and professional technical support, ensuring 100% customer satisfaction. Number 5. DeWalt TSTAK Tool Storage Organizer. The DeWalt TSTAK line of tool organizers includes a variety of tough, tried-and-true options for specialized needs, plus a few everyday toolboxes. This budget-friendly TSTAK model features a segmented upper compartment for small fasteners, bits, and parts, as well as a larger open bottom section for hand tools. It also has a hole for slipping a padlock through. There was a lot to like about the TSTAK box during testing. In general, I just like the idea of the TSTAK system, so the fact that it has latches and connects to other boxes is appealing. I also like that the lid has a dome shape inside, which means bulkier items that stick up a bit won't prevent the box from closing. Also, it feels like a steal at that price.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.